Hey everybody, it's Ben from the Herbstead, and this is a first time for me doing a recipe video. We're going to give it a shot here. This is what I want to show you how to make today. This is my personal recipe for chai latte concentrate. So I take about a cup of this and 3/4 cup of any kind of milk. I steam it, and I usually just microwave this and add the two together. That is recently what I've been having for my drink in the morning, just to kind of wake up and start the day. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of caffeine, lots of spices. Yeah, like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you like how we did this video. Thank you for coming around, and as always, grow on. Here we got star anise, black peppercorn, clove, cinnamon, cardamom, as well as nutmeg and fresh ginger. After we do some steeping and after we let the tea sit in the concentrate, we're going to be adding in vanilla and any sort of sugar. I'm going to be using maple syrup. So the process here is we're going to take these 5 dry ingredients, we're going to crush them in this mortar and pestle. We're going to then toast them on medium-high heat. Once that toasting is done, we are going to add in the water as well as these 2 ingredients, ground nutmeg and sliced ginger, 10 cups of water. We bring it up to a boil and then let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the simmer is done, bring it all the way back up to boil, turn off the heat, add in your tea bags. Tea bags sit from 5 to 7 minutes, and once that time is done, you can pull the tea bags out and you are ready to jar the liquid into quart-sized jars. That's what I prefer to use. We're planning to have 2 full quarts and potentially 1 cup additional liquid. After you're in the quart jars, I use a quarter cup of maple syrup and or honey, as well as a good long dash of vanilla. Yeah, so that's basically my process. I'll share with you guys some of the process here as it looks. Alright, what we have here is 1/4 cup of maple syrup and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So we're going to go ahead and prepare our jars by adding those in first. And once we pour in our hot liquid of concentrate and tea, we will give that a good shake and everything will get all nice, happy. And then you can let it cool down in the fridge overnight and enjoy in the morning. Pro tip, once you get to the end of the jar and you only got like a cup left in here, just throw a bunch of ice in, pour some milk in on top, shake, iced chai latte. So now I'm going to use a strainer. You can use whatever you have on hand, but I'm going to strain this liquid into our big Pyrex measuring cup, because from here it is going to be a little simpler to pour into those jars. So let's check it out. Thing of beauty, y'all. I am going to thoroughly enjoy having this in the morning. Thanks for sticking around.